Hey YouTubers, why are you still struggling with outdated tools in 2025? Today, I've got the lowdown on 4 must-have tools that will transform your channel. If you're here to level up your YouTube game, you're in the right place. Welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I make content to help you succeed on YouTube. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have website.com. Every serious YouTuber needs a personal brand, right? With website.com, you can easily build a stunning portfolio site that showcases your best work, links to your social media, and even host your blog. I used website.com to create my own site, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for attracting sponsorships and collaborations. Next, let's talk about Gravitywrite. This AI-powered tool is like having a personal content assistant. Need video scripts, descriptions, or even fresh content ideas? Gravitywrite has you covered. I saved hours of brainstorming and writing by letting Gravitywrite do the heavy lifting. It's like having an extra team member that never sleeps. Now onto Canva. You've probably heard of it, but are you really using it to its full potential? Canva is perfect for designing eye-catching thumbnails, channel art, and social media posts without needing a graphic design degree. I've created some of my most clicked thumbnails using Canva's templates and tools. Trust me, a great thumbnail can make all the difference. Finally, vidIQ. If you want to get serious about optimizing your videos and growing your channel, this tool is indispensable. vidIQ helps you with keywords, tags, and even competitor research. It's like having an SEO expert in your pocket. So there you have it. Website.com, Gravitywrite, Canva, and vidIQ, 4 essential tools for every YouTuber in 2025. These tools have been game changers for me, and I believe they'll make a huge difference for you too. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Also, check out the affiliate links and free trials in the description to get started with these amazing tools today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.